The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar in a real sense is serious areas of strength for truly, so they certainly thought. Nexo United States dollar exchanges closed 72 cents in an extremely significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo sort of is drifting at $4,322,880. Nexo down around 3.3% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which sort of is very critical. 16 December 2023, in this video we will explicitly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues, facts, what is transient cost expectation for Nexo, especially is Nexo a sort of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they for the most part thought. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, by and large let us especially discuss the ongoing economic situations amazingly. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709 in an unpretentious manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $55,060,451,724 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33%, so the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, especially is very huge. Which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39%, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value diminishing of 1.31%, coming to $2,244.89 during the past 24 hours, which sort of shows that Nexo United States dollar exchanges closed 72 cents in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.72, following a value change of 1.41% within a similar time period in an especially significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere near 1.63 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, which truly shows that the really complete exchanging volume basically remains at $55,060,451,724 in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, Solana came to $74.13 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 5.78% in Esteem, which by and large shows that Bitcoin shares 51.62% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, so the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar fundamentally is actually serious areas of strength for especially a genuinely significant way. These occasions sort of show that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting what certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $42,185.68 level after a decay of 1.39% in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a genuinely broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 72 cents in a significant way. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to especially recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, genuinely further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo in every way that really matters is drifting at $4,322,880, which for the most part is very huge. Support especially is a level at which purchasers certainly become commonly more certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense is very huge. Similarly, obstruction in every way that really matters is a level at which dealers in a real sense become moves sort of dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is very huge. Following in every way that really matters are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The kind of current Nexo cost essentially is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of $4,322,880 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%. bringing the whole digital money market to $1,599,597,582,709 in a fundamentally significant manner. Presently, Nexo truly is somewhere near 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, exhibiting that right now, Nexo in a real sense is somewhere around 3.3% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $405,440,629 United States dollars, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 16 December 2023, inside a for the most part everyday time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath, showing how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar explicitly is areas of strength for truly, in a real sense is genuinely critical. We utilize especially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving essentially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including really basic moving commonly, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to by and large investigate the future development of the Nexo, or so they especially thought. The Nexo in every practical sense has by and large break all its particularly upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking especially great for the crypto market, which in a real sense shows that Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 16 December 2023, inside an especially day-to-day time span, basically made sense of beneath, exhibiting how the 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar generally is areas of strength for truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Presently, truly bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Nexo cost underneath the critical help level of 82 cents in a kind of significant manner. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 44 and truly is attempting to break out of the impartiality zone in a truly significant manner. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange in every practical sense, signal truly is especially conceivable at this reach, so we utilize sort of relative strength INDEX RSI, moving certainly normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving commonly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to basically dissect the future development of the Nexo, which fundamentally is very critical. The MACD line by and large is remaining above of the fundamentally signal line after an especially sure hybrid, exhibiting that following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The sort of current Nexo cost in every practical sense is 72 cents, with an exchanging volume of 4,322,882